Naghahanap ka ba ng bagong recipe for banana? Well, look no more! Today may bago tayong dessert na gagawin. Sobrang dali nito at sarap na talagang kakaiba. Yes, this is our Bannofie in tin can. At narito ang unang sangkap. First, we need these crushed grahams or any crackers na gusto mo. At i-add natin itong melted butter. So, prepare lang natin ang ating tin can or any molder na gusto mong paglagyan. Then, ilagay na natin ang crushed graham. And first, let's make a well muna sa gitna. Well, wala lang. Gusto ko lang, bet ko lang gawin. And then, ilagay na natin ang butter by batch. Huwag muna ilahat ha. Mix lang natin ito one at a time. And also, pwede nating lagyan ng 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. This is for added taste lang. And yes, gagamit tayo ng measuring cup para madali itong i-mold up to the sides. Then, iset aside muna natin ito and i-fridge mo lang while we make the custard mixture. Now, luto na ang ating custard cream at iset aside muna natin ito. Now, ikat muna natin ang ating saging. And look what I've got here. It's a twin. Yes, minsan talaga may isip mo na lang buti pa ang banana may kapartner. Ikaw, wala. Yes, ganyan talagang life. Lagyan na natin ito ng calamansi extract. Piniprevent ito ang pangingitim ng saging. And then, ilalagay na natin itong ating saging. Ice cold pa po yan. Teka muna, parang gusto kong sulatan muna. Hello! Subscribe to my channel first. Well, ngayon, open na natin ito. There it is. Now, lagyan na natin ng frosting. And yes, whipped cream ang ating gamit. And this is whipped from Bakersfield. So, it really depends. Yan, ito sobrang taas lang. Nakalimutan ko na may takip pa pala tayo. So, yan. Guys, meron tayong whipped cream. At ilalagay na natin ito. And up to the last one. And then, dito sa mga gitna-gitna, lagyan lang din natin ng frosting pa. It's up to you kung anong design yung ilalagay mo. Ito, kahit ano na lang, kahit ano yung naisipan mo design. Yan na guys. So, you can do a lot with this frosting. And here's the closer look. At sa mga gilid-gilid, lagyan din natin ng maliit na rosette. Yan. Ganun lang po kasimple yung pagkakawa. Yan. And then, dito sa gitna, it's up to you din kung anong design yung gagawin mo. Yan. Lagyan ko lang ng isa. And then, sa gilid niya, lagyan ko lang ng small rosette. It's really up to you guys kung paano mo gawin yung designs mo. Well, this is your creation. So, ikaw din kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. Yan. We're done. Dagdagan ko lang dito guys para medyo detailed siya. Like, mag-wonder yung mga customers, paano yung ginawa? Though, very easy lang kasi nakita mo kung paano yan gawin. At least, alam mo na may designs ka pa na magagawa on your cakes. Yan. And then, lagyan natin ito ng chocolate toppings. And here guys, so instead of putting caramel toppings or chocolate, whatever you want, kung gusto mo na mas maganda, catchy siya sa mga customers mo, kung ibibenta mo. But for me, I prefer at less effort pa kung ang lalagay mo is this grahams na lang din. Kung may sobra ka pa, i-dress mo rin dyan at the top. Also looks yummy at less ingredients ka pa instead of providing the chocolate syrup or the caramel, i-add mo sa yung mga ingredients. Ito na lang yung grahams. Yung itatop mo, yan. It looks catchy din at ang sarap din tingnan. So, there you go, guys. Talagang mas prefer ko ito over chocolate. Kung ikaw nagbibenta ka at gusto mo less gasto din, yan, better these grahams na lang yung ilalagay mo. So, let's have a taste test. And it's really my favorite part. Yan. It's really a perfect combo, guys. Yung i-match mo yung crushed grahams to your Bannofie, itong custard plus banana and whipped cream. It really tastes so perfect, guys. It's really a perfect match and it's really good for dessert. Yan. So, let's eat it now. Let's take a bite. Let's put it closer. Ayan. Now guys, ito yun. Refrigerate ko na to overnight. Ayan. So, let's take. So, this is really the kind of dessert na talagang hanap-hanapin mo every after meal. Dahil yung lasa niya is talagang kakaiba. Ito yung dessert na talagang gusto mong kainin. Yung busog ka na, pero gusto mo pang kumain. Pero, yung tipong dessert na ayaw mo na mabusog, yung gusto mo lang na pantulak, pampawala ng, alam mo na, yung nakain mo kanina. So, ito talaga yung the best dessert. And it's really, really authentic. Guys, yung lasa niya talagang kakaiba. Na talagang hanap-hanapin mo.